Alright, one of our members of our board right now will be receiving an award, and that's none other than Giovanni G. Tablezo. Mr. Giovanni teaches science at St. Andrew's School. He lives in Portsville, Philadelphia. Alright, congratulations, Giovanni. So this time we're going to award those who have served, or have been serving the U.S. for 5 to 9 years now. And a lot of my friends...
Sa simula, sa langit mong mukha, may nalang mula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isa't ang watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidinig. Ang bituin at araw ng kanya, kamay magdidinig. Lupa ng araw, hawal, ating pagsita, buhay langit sa piling mo.
Signing up for early retirement because guess what? It was too stressful for him. And who has stress in their work as a teacher? But it forced him to retire early because it caused health problems to him. And that's something that we cannot accept. Because as Filipinos, we're too kind, and kindness gets taken advantage of. So we need to make sure that we not only advocate for ourselves, but we ensure that we have advocates that can advocate for us. And the New York City mayor is the person that controls all New York City public schools. So do you want a mayor that's never been a teacher? Or do you want a mayor that's going to be someone that understands the ins and outs of your job? Because we're the first frontline workers. We're the ones who are the mental health advocates for our students.